Hey everyone, today we are going to be unboxing and testing out this electrical elliptical machine. Alright, let's go ahead and get started.
To begin, everything you need comes included inside this box. Of course, you're given the instruction booklet as well as the device itself. Now, the device is really easy to carry. There is a handle in the center for you to simply lift it up, and it's very lightweight. You're also given the power outlet as well as a remote control that controls the device. Now, the device itself looks really nice. I love that there is a pop of orange just to give it a little bit more color. But essentially, this device is perfect for elderly and leg rehabilitation. And just in case you lose the remote, you can control the settings from the device itself. Now, they do recommend for you to put a little bit of lubrication on the wheels just so that it works easier. Once you are done, you are good to go. With this device, you're able to burn calories, enhance cardiovascular health, and strengthen muscles with low-intensity workouts, promoting quick leg adaptation and recovery. Now, the 2-in-1 machine offers manual 12-level speed and auto P1 to P3 modes, allowing forward or backward pedal movements to target different muscles. I was also shocked at how quiet this was. It has a noiseless system enabling discrete workouts even at high speeds without disturbing coworkers or family members. Now, the goal for me this year is to really work on my cardiovascular. So a device like this, allowing me to have it underneath my desk since I work a lot from home, is going to be great and is going to help me achieve my goal. So if you are looking for an elliptical machine, I would highly consider taking a look at this one as it is super easy to use and really fun.